Hi, everybody. This is Silvio Canto in Dallas, Texas, Monday, January the 22nd. Welcome to our video commentary. January 22nd, 1973, was the day that Roe v. Wade, the opinion Roe v. Wade, was made public or was made official by the Supreme Court. Basically, what it meant was that abortion was legal in the United States. Some of you may remember the case. There was a lady here in Texas who wanted to have an abortion. Texas law did not allow the abortion, so she took it to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court said yes, in a long-winded sort of way, said yes, you have the right to have an abortion. And here we are 45 years later, and there are consequences from that day 45 years ago. The most obvious one, of course, is that we have, according to some estimates, anywhere from 40 to 50 million babies who have been aborted over the last 45 years. And if you just think about that for a second, if those babies were a country, if they were a state, it would be the largest state in the union. It would be twice the size of California, roughly. If they were a country, they would be a huge country because, of course, these babies are spread out. You have some would be in their 40s, others would be teenagers, some would be in the 20s. I mean, it's an incredible chunk of population that has been aborted. 45 million people who were basically denied their opportunity to live. And who knows who we've aborted. What great artist, what great musician, what great scientist, what great doctor, what great mother, what great father we've aborted with Roe v. Wade. So that's the most tragic consequence. The fact is that we have denied 45 million people the right to live. There's other consequences too from it. One of them is that we gave the Supreme Court a power that the Supreme Court doesn't really have. The Supreme Court was never supposed to decide issues like this. These issues were supposed to be decided by the states. It was the states who decided issues of abortion. It was up to the states and the state legislatures to decide abortion. And the great tragedy of this is that you look at other countries who have legalized abortion, but they've done it a better way because they've done it through their legislatures. And legislatures have a way of compromising things so that, yes, you have abortion, but you also have, let's say, limitations on abortion. It's very difficult to have any limitations on abortion in the United States because of Roe v. Wade. Another consequence of Roe v. Wade is political. And all you have to do is look at judicial nominations. Every time a Republican is nominated to the Supreme Court, the whole thing becomes a debate over abortion. Are you going to overturn Roe v. Wade? Are you for abortion, against abortion? So every judicial nomination process has become a fight over abortion. I also think, and this is something that it's hard to prove, but my heart tells me this, that I think we have devalued life. When you allow abortion, you devalue life. You make life a choice. You make life a decision that a person makes. And that's I think has to have a corrosive impact on your people and on your culture. So this is a sad anniversary, very sad anniversary, Roe v. Wade. This is nothing to cheer about. All these people who are cheering about women's reproductive rights, well, I find it interesting that they don't talk about the rights of the little girls who got aborted, because of those 45 million babies who were aborted, let's say about half of them are girls who never had the chance to choose anything because they were aborted. So this is a sad day. This is not a good day to celebrate the anniversary of Roe v. Wade. I guess the only good news about this anniversary is that President Trump is pro-life. And so far, he has used every opportunity to reverse many of his predecessors' executive orders, such as that Mexico City policy from many, many years ago. The policy, it's called Mexico City because it was signed in Mexico City. It has really nothing to do with Mexico, but it has to do with public funding of abortion. Well, have a great day, everybody. Again, a sad anniversary, but at least we have a pro-life president. Have a good day, everybody. This is Silvio Canto in Dallas. We have all of these over at YouTube. We have them in my Twitter account as well as my blog. Bye-bye, everybody. Good day.